on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen.
Hi there, I'm Dave from Castle Hill Exhaust and Performance. We're a long-established Sydney-based workshop. We specialise in everything exhausts. We also do performance packages, custom dyno tuning, automotive fabrication and custom systems. Well, this shop has been here since the early 80s. I've been running the shop for about 20 years. I myself have worked here for nearly 30. Mainly we do a lot of Commodore stuff. We do a fair bit of Camaro stuff from time to time. We do Mustang, and we also do a lot of diesel performance packages as well. Everyday exhaust jobs sort of fell away back in the early 2000s. We moved more into the performance side of things, performance exhausts. We've been using Manta exhausts for a couple of years now. Find that they suit the premium quality type applications for more enthusiast jobs. Yeah, what we got today is a pretty special job. It's a 2019 Camaro SS. Being an enthusiast type car, we've chosen Manta for that application. The Manta system is all 304 stainless, so it's premium grade, and it's got all the bells and whistles, ceramic coated headers, the active bimodal exhaust valves. So yeah, it ticks all the boxes for that car. For this particular application and job, customers sort of wanted a specific look, so we went and got the tips coated. So we coated them jet black just to give them that sort of blacked out, nice neat appeal. The Manta system for this car and across the range, we just unbox them and they fit. No adjustments, no modifications, no remaking, no fabrication. It just primarily bolts on as it should. Well, the target market for Manta exhaust is your enthusiast, the person that wants the premium product and is happy to pay for it. Obviously, 10-year warranty is second to none, and not many other companies can offer that. It's a robust system, it's strong, it's heavy duty. So again, it just ticks all the boxes if you've got the budget and you want something really nice. A well-designed exhaust will give you a good gain in performance. Generally, cars these days come with very, very restrictive exhaust, so it doesn't take much to open them up a bit. Generally expect to see quite a good gain in power, response, drivability. Just ran it on a dyno. Before we did the exhaust, it made 262.2 kilowatts. Now we've done the exhaust, it made 280. So that result is exhaust alone. So we're looking at just under 18 kilowatt gain. Exhaust, no tuning, no intake, no any other upgrades. If you're looking for a premium quality performance exhaust, Manta is definitely the answer.